Hi, it's Amber from Old Good Things here at our warehouse in Scranton, Pennsylvania. Today I'm going to teach you all how to remove paint from antique hardware, such as this beautiful steeple hinge. Alright, so you need some basic supplies to get this project started. Number one, you're definitely going to want a pair of gloves, as paint thinner can be pretty corrosive to your skin. Two, your paint thinner. We prefer a product called Rock Miracle Paint Remover. It really does the trick without damaging anything below. You're going to want an old paintbrush because it's pretty much going to be dedicated to this afterwards. A nice wire brush, and then you're going to want either a bin or a piece of cardboard so you can let these items sit with the remover on it. So step one is you're going to want to use your wire brush to remove any loose paint that already exists on it. So just give it a real good scrub down. You really want to get any of those extra flakes off before you go ahead and put your paint thinner on. All right. So our step two process is you're going to want to put these all in your bin. They need about 15 minutes to sit, and you're going to see once I put it on, you're going to want a thick layer on some of these items, especially like this hinge here. So you're going to take your brush. You can see it has a jelly type of texture, so it really sticks on nice. Go ahead and slather it on. Work it into all the crevices. This is where your gloves are going to come in handy because you're going to need to touch it to kind of flip it over with the process. You can see with this steeple hinge, there's lots of design behind the paint that's going to be exposed once it's said and done. Someone liked Christmas colors with these door pulls. But they're actually going to be a really beautiful brass color once it's all said and done. You can see I'm not being really delicate with this process. You really just want to get that product on there to cook all that old paint off. This one I might do a two-step process, the front and the back, just so that thinner can really sit on top of that paint. A well-ventilated area also would be recommended with this. So, garage door open or in the backyard. What we're looking for. Look at that. You can really see that.